Everyone, welcome to the altcoin of the day. And I think that I have seen a very nice buying opportunity, and that is DENT. And DENT already has risen a long bull run, of course, for recently. The market cap is now $28 million, and the rank is 189 on CoinMarketCap. And if you would like to take a look for more information, go to the website of DENT Wireless. And there is a very nice proposition about wireless data plans and so on. So it's telecommunication and mobile data sharing, and the DENT Exchange marketplace for telco and digital assets. A couple of years ago already I've been tipped off for this coin. However, the coin was not performing that well. And now I would like to take you to the DENT USDT Tether on Binance. And I already bought some today. And I have to say that I was a little bit too late. But anyway, I would like to share with you my insights. This is a daily chart, and the daily chart shows that there is a severe, a very strong up move. The market rallied from 0.0001 towards 0.0003, so it's has risen threefold, but there would be and could be more on the table. If I go to the weekly chart, then you can see that back in 20 September 2019, last year, the market was much higher. Would like to go to CoinMarketCap to take a look at the chart, how it was with it performing. The ROI for the early investors is not good. It's minus 45%. And if we take a look at the chart, there we see the market performing price in the green. I will put the price in green. That is a USDT, I think. That is this one. And the green one, is it? Yes. So there it is. It was 10 cents. So it's now, it has been slashed and crashed towards zero almost. You cannot even see the line now. But from the peak in Jan 2018, it was in the last bull run of the crypto market, and then the market crashed severely. So if we would like to see the market going to 10 cents, yeah, then you have to go a lot further. But anyway, I think this is just starting a bull run which is starting. So I'm very keen on this coin, and would not surprise me if you will hit the six soon. So a double from here, 100% increase. But for the shorter term, uh, yeah, be careful because we rally today a lot. The market can retrace, of course, a little bit. And what I did is buy some around the level of 0.345, I think, more or less. But if you would like to buy some, you can go to do that. For our crypto swing trading portfolio members, the paid members, they already got this interesting coin. I will send it out soon. The total swing trading portfolio year to date is now 26.9%. It looks not too much, but if you take a look into consideration, if you take into consideration that we are not 100% fully invested, now only $700 invested, plus 100 is $800, and the open results is 50, and I already raked in $860. What do we have more in portfolio? Funfair, decent gainer, almost 30% up. WePower, Chiliz, Sealer, Solvecare, Hedera, Hashgraph, Kyber Network. And now DENT is the following one. So mark my words, ladies and gents. If you would like to put the gamble on, not too much. Don't sell your mother-in-law, and don't sell your granny, and put your stake for everything on this coin, but only $100. You can do that. You can afford it, and you can do that. You can do more or less, whatever you want. I would like to say that I have here DENT already bought. and that is here on my in my portfolio, in my change wallet. I bought already, I think, for 50 bucks, and I'm waiting for the next one to buy more. And here, this is deposit not here. DENT, I've here for 50 bucks more or less, and I'm now with a pending order to buy some more when the market will, if the market will retrace a little bit further down, then I would like to pick up some more. And you can see here on the DENT exchange, the exchange wallet, it's pending order at 0.00031. And then I would like to buy some more. So first, I bought some, and I'm waiting for the retracement towards this level. So I hope that you find this a very interesting coin, and also other coins as well. And feel free to comment on the YouTube below. Feel free to put your own coins on the table as well. I wish you a very pleasant evening. Hasta la vista. Bye.